Bitch, it's raining ice water out this hole. Y'all woke up this morning. It's a little better than what it was, but we got snow. Subscribe, home. It's like slush right now because it's raining. But what the? What? Car. Whew. My car is full of snow. It's melting though. It's melting. Oh, look. It's melting though. Look at it, so much. It's like so thick. It's crazy. Look at my feet. This is all dirt. It's like very mushy. Asphalt. Like slush. But you know what I bet. I stay in the country, so yeah. Bitch, it's raining ice water out this hole. It's so goddamn cold. That's not so beautiful. Shit! It's raining ice water out this bitch. We're going to the road. One of my cousins thought he was finna go. They done drove all through there, snow. They been riding 4-wheelers and shit. Getting stuck. It is so damn cold out here. I ain't got no damn clothes on. Come on. It's for y'all. It's for y'all. It's for y'all, child. Ice on the road. It was worse this morning. It's melting. Like, it's water. It's melting and it's raining. Like I said, it's raining ice water out this hole. But it's so cold. Look at that car over there. That car is over there. It's a lot icy too. But it's cold as fuck. So we're gonna head back down here. I'm like Narnia out this bitch. Fuck it. I'm gonna go to it's my cousins over there. I get to the back of the house and see how snowy these woods are. You see every step I take. Whew, I gotta be careful. It is a lot of fucking, it's snowy for real out here. Whew, my hand is cold. That's just cool. This is gravel. It's got ice on it. A lot of ice, a lot of I'm dirt. My car is full of ice. Let's go check it out. My car, it was worse, like I said, but it's frozen. It's frozen. I'm sorry, frozen. You see my face? I look in. It's like, it's frozen dirt. Subscribe, it's like a very